Have you ever met someone who stays the same for years? Their age changes, their situation changes, but their mindset never changes. They keep repeating the same mistakes. They blame the same people. They face the same problems, and somehow they expect different results. Psychology explains why this happens. Most people think growth is about knowledge, but growth is mainly about behavior. Today, we will discuss 5 strange habits of people who never grow. Number 1, they protect their comfort zone. People who never grow avoid discomfort. They want change without struggle. They want success without effort. They want confidence without challenges. The brain loves familiar patterns. Even bad habits can feel safe. This is why many people stay stuck. Growth begins where comfort ends. Every new skill feels awkward at first. Every improvement requires temporary discomfort. People who refuse discomfort refuse growth. Number 2, they always blame something else. Blame feels good in the moment. Responsibility feels heavy. Many people choose blame. They blame their parents. They blame society. They blame bad luck. They blame timing. Sometimes these factors are real, but constant blame creates helplessness. Psychologists call this an external mindset. The person believes control exists outside them. As a result, they stop taking action. Growth starts when responsibility begins. Number 3, they repeat the same thoughts. Behavior follows thought patterns. Many people never question their thinking. They repeat old beliefs every day. They tell themselves the same stories. They focus on the same fears. They expect the same outcomes. The brain strengthens repeated thoughts. Over time, those thoughts become automatic. This creates a mental prison. Growth requires new perspectives. A new life often begins with a new thought. Number 4, they avoid honest feedback. Feedback can hurt, but it can also transform lives. People who never grow take feedback personally. They see advice as an attack. They become defensive. They argue instead of listening. This blocks learning. Successful people study feedback carefully. They separate emotion from information. They look for lessons. Growth becomes impossible when ego controls decisions. Number 5, they wait for motivation. This is one of the most common habits. Many people think action follows motivation. Psychology often shows the opposite. Action creates motivation. Waiting feels productive, but waiting changes nothing. People who grow act before they feel ready. They start small. They build momentum. They create motivation through movement. Progress rewards action, not excuses. Conclusion: people who never grow often share the same habits. They protect comfort, they blame others, they repeat old thoughts, they reject feedback, they wait for motivation. The truth is simple. Growth is not a talent. Growth is a choice. Small choices create big changes. Your future depends on the habits you repeat today.